So, hi everyone. Today we have with us Khushbu Sharma. This is her second interview. I took her interview a couple of years ago when she was going into the college. So it's like completing the cycle. Now you are into the job. So, Khushbu, we have a lot of questions from you. How you prepared and everything. We'll not talk about CAT CET in general. We will talk about your journey as an engineer to banking and marketing and strategy. So you have all the three combinations together into one. So we'll not disclose the name of the bank where you are going to work. So she is right now working in a bank. So ma'am, let's start with your profile now, and then we'll go backtrack into the college days.
Okay. So, sir, currently I am in a role where I am a part of strategy. So we have these certain products, right? Digital banking products. So I have been assigned 2 products for that. And for these products, I am handling the strategy. I am making the whole bank aware. I'm improving the customer journey. And so it's like I am handling a lot of data. I'm working on the data part as well, and then I'm bringing in a lot of changes. So the digitization of banking is happening, and that's where I come in as a role. And so there is operations also included, there's marketing also included, there's, you can term it as strategy also. So yeah, amalgamation of maybe everything that I learned in MBA.
And this is true all these days. Yeah? Gone are the days when you used to be a marketing expert or finance expert. Now you have to do all the roles kind of thing.
Yes.
This is something which everyone have to hear that. Okay, there's like, I will only study operation, don't not do this and that. You have to study all the subjects.
Yes. Yes, that's very true. In fact, even during my interview, I was clearly asked. So I had a very versatile profile. If I start, I am an engineer, and then I had 2.5 years of work experience. And after that, I did lots of live projects and internships in my MBA. So they were actually looking for a person who had a versatile experience and who was from a non-banking background. So this really played a major role.
Superb. Okay, so now I'll ask the main question. As an engineer, number one question, can I work in a bank? If yes, how easy it is to get into the bank?
I think I'm the living example right now, and there are many other people who are at even better positions. I mean, with the kind of experience they gain. So yes, it is possible very much for an engineer or for anybody for that matter. Second, the second question, sir, sorry.
How easy it is to get into that?
Easy. If you have done your groundwork well in 2 years of MBA, it would be, I would not say a cakewalk, but it would be easier. It all depends on how much hard work you're putting in for those 2 years.
Superb, superb. Okay, so let's go back to the days. I remember one day a few years ago when we met in Pune branch, right?
Yes, sir.
क्या होएगा? Okay, so those who are listening to this video, this girl has studied only 1 month. Started V school with 1 month of preparation and the whole journey. See, there are two kind of people. One who are topper and good in studies, but good in getting the marks, but personality wise they're average. And she on the other hand is ulta. She was like good in personality, but marks nahi aaye, kind of. यहाँ पढ़ा भी नहीं, उल्टा भी बोलोगे, ठीक है, पढ़ा भी नहीं. Typical engineer का example. Last, I think that was our recording as well. The video recorded earlier was 1 month to 95 percentile and 94 percentile, and then you joined the V school. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Willinker College Market transformation. You talked about how you prepare for the 2 years. What transformation you felt in the college, which you felt is a major change for the job?
So, sir, for me, I would talk about my particular journey. It has been really transformational. In fact, in the first video, I had mentioned कि मुझे interview में पूछा था what is CSR, and I knew nothing about it. Literally nothing. मैं घर जाके research किया कि क्या होता है. So I was a part of rural management program. It's basically general. So मेरे को options थे कि I can pick or choose any of the subjects in my second year. First year, as it is common for all. So right from the very initial beginning, what I did, I started interning with an organization, and so out of 2 years of MBA, जिन्होंने भी MBA किया है, let's say आपने किया, तो आपको पता होगा the first 1.5 year होता है, that is more into academics. बाद में तो ये सब आ जाता है, like your jobs and everything, वो placement start हो जाता है, so you get into that. So उस 1.5 year में भी मेरा almost close to 14-15 months मैंने या तो मैं live project कर रही थी या मेरा कोई internship start था. So that I think that in a way shows कि I did manage my time well, क्योंकि studies and classes and बाकी सब तो थे ही. अभी की तरह हमारा online तो था नहीं. We were going to college. So this is actually an advantage अभी के students जो जाने वाले हैं उनके लिए, कि सब everything is online. So
ये पता है, इट्स वो साइकिल, जो चीज नहीं ना वो अच्छी लगती है. अभी जो नहीं नहीं कॉलेज होना चाहिए, कॉलेज होना चाहिए, व्हेन यू गो बैक टू द कॉलेज यू फील नहीं 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 घर बैठे होने तो वो बेटर था.
yeah, that is true. That is true. So I started with a marketing profile live project the moment I got into MBA, and then as you are aware मैं काफी competitions भी गई थी. I went to IIT Madras and luckily I won them as well. 3-4 competitions I bagged first second prizes at IITs and some other B schools. Then उसके बाद I interned at Mattel in Malaysia. So that was
Metal ka I want to keep as a separate part, so I will come to that some time because I might upload separately because that is very important part. So one point, those who are listening to the video have to note that you have to participate in as much contest as you can. Like इसने जो मेरी जान खाई है, I think कॉलेज जाने के बाद we used to talk about all this कि कैसे करना है, कुछ तो भी something you talked about, कोई तो भी event होने वाला था, we talked about that also.
Yes.
This is all learning यार, यही सब चाहिए, यही सब MBA के बाद ही. This is all MBA is all about.
Yes, truly.
अबे पढ़ के is not the MBA all about.
This one thing is for sure कि MBA सिर्फ theoretical नहीं है. तुमने engineering या bachelor's जो भी किया हो, irrespective of that, and especially if you're an engineer, MBA में नहीं पता होगा क्या होने वाला है, तो do not go with a mindset कि मुझे यही field choose करना है. सब कुछ सीखो जो सीखने को मिल रहा है, and do not depend on the college कि मुझे college क्या सिखाएगा. तुम खुद गए हो ना, you have put in your money, so you make sure that you get everything out of it. You make the most. So yes, so Mattel में मेरा operations consultant था, hardcore operations profile, and I was कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगा वो generally एक it's a mindset कि जो summer internship मिला है उस तरह का ही job मेरा land up होगा, but वैसा नहीं हुआ. उसके मतलब I was trying and मुझे इस role में मिला, because you never know placement से कब कहाँ पे क्या click कर जाए.
Right, true,
Yes.
True. Okay, so now we'll go into the job part. So the moment you say marketing in a bank, ठीक है, there's a misconception that is सबसे घटिया role. But marketing में सबसे घटिया role is a marketing in a bank. So of course this is what the perception is all about. But people don't understand कि digital marketing हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. There's a lot of aspect to that. So can you please explain us what is marketing, role of marketing in a bank?
So, sir, like I mentioned, it's not just marketing. मेरा एक strategy role भी है for certain products. So, first of all, especially after COVID has happened, अभी सब कुछ digital transform हो रहा है. जो businesses नहीं थे online, if जो बच्चे हैं, जो those who are watching us, अगर at the moment you search on Google now, what jobs are in the market right now, you would only see, every business is trying to transform. So they all want digital. Some or the other role, could it be operations, could be anything, but some or the other way, either data analytics or digital marketing. So let's say similarly, my current organization, they are moving completely. I mean, they are trying to, in coming few years, completely switch from physical banking to digital banking, seeing the environment.
Okay.
Yes, but that's the aim ultimately. So उसमें किस तरह से how to improve the customer journey, how do you make sure कि customer हमारे साथ ही transactions कर रहा है, then how do you make it in a simple language. It's all about why would you want to go with any particular product, non-banking or banking, जहाँ पे number of clicks कम होंगे and your journey would be very smooth, right? That's आज का customer like we engineers only are the customers right now, right? And we are the laziest people. We want कि हाँ एक click किया, everything should be done. So that's what I'm trying to do. And if you think in a layman terms language, अगर मैं सिर्फ operations का पढ़ के आती थी MBA में, तो मैं शायद नहीं solve कर सकती ये problems. So you need to have your common sense, and that's where again the same topic comes in कि MBA में जो भी opportunity मिलता है या as much as you can learn, so build your common sense. अगर आज नहीं है तो please build it. That's all.
True. So with the first question coming in from Niyati Kothari, what is the requirement for banking? Can non-engineer engineers, everyone can join? Number one question. And second is do you have to give any banking exam to get into a bank?
मेरे लिए तो ऐसा कोई एग्जाम नहीं हुआ है.
There's
कोई
no
banking
test, there's no aptitude test.
No.
Direct
Banking
interview.
एग्जाम नहीं होता है, इंटरव्यू होता है, जैसे जो नॉर्मल GDPI या केस स्टडी एंड देन इंटरव्यू, वही प्रोसेस था.
Normal process.
Yes, normal process. And secondly, engineers, non-engineers, sub allowed है. Now there could be certain specific profiles. Let's say आप एक hardcore finance profile में जाते हो, then they might look for a person who has expertise in that. But generally, it would vary from profile to profile. That's.
Okay, got it. Okay, Niyati, I got the question now. IBPS is separate exam यार, तुम mix मत करो. ये MBA की बात.
हाँ, वो PO
करके. She's talking about PO.
No, that's different, Niyati.
Okay, Ashish Singh का question है, do you think you have to be good in numbers to work in a bank?
If you're good at numbers, or let's say if you're good with Excel or data analytics, then I think you are good to go for any profile. I mean, it's good to be versatile. It would always be an added advantage. But ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे अगर calculate करना नहीं आया what is 500 into 725 तो मुझे निकाल देंगे, ऐसा नहीं है.
Okay, if I answer that question, so simple, you need to be good in numbers only to crack the exam. Excel sheet has सब कुछ है तुम्हारे पास, yeah, you don't need anything. You just need to how you manage everything, that is important. Yeah, so that's more important. So numbers, मतलब you need to play with the numbers. Excel calculator तुम्हारे पास है. You can use the calculator before the CAT. You can use the calculator even during MBA also. Only for the exam they don't allow to use the calculator. Apart from that, they can use calculator everywhere.
Yes.
Okay. Vipin Dharmik, without any work experience, will it affect in the summer? Will it affect my job scenario if I don't have any work experience?
So see, there are two kinds of job offers at any good B school. One, when the companies are looking for freshers, and the another is when they are looking for a person with a work experience. And दोनों की equal opportunities आती हैं if you are in a good B school. So that I think completely rules out the question कि freshers के लिए है कि नहीं. Now, the most important question is whether you are in the top 10% of your college or not. That would be it in the freshers category. अगर तुम उस category में आते हो, then I think nothing can stop you. And for that, you again need, let's say for freshers, how you can build your CV is, you can do lots of live projects, lots of internships, competitions, a lot of things that you can do. अगर तुम्हारे जो college के projects भी है ना, वो भी if you do nicely, you would have a lot of things to talk about. वो copy paste मत करो अभी जैसे BCom या engineering में हम करते हैं.
Right, true. Okay, we have another question for technical. Is data science, what is the use of data science in banking?
Okay, so let's see, I'll give you a real example.
Hardik Durgam, name of the...
like अभी क्या हो रहा है, more and more customers are shifting to digital. And अभी का अगर let's say I talk about only India, हमारा younger population makes a lot of part, the population which is working, age group 24 and above, right? So ये population digital platforms पे ज़्यादा है, तो just the kind of data that we get on a daily basis, it's in crores the data. I'm talking about the transactions. बहुत बड़े transactions होते हैं. So अगर आप simple Excel लगाने बैठोगे तो I'm not sure वो 1-2 घंटे में खुलेगा या कब खुलेगा. So that's where the data science come in. And it makes the work easier. Superb.
Okay, we have one more question which I want to pick up here. Is अरे यार mix up हो गया. Okay, what the joining position is always wow factor when the banking sector comes, assistant, vice president, this and that. What is your starting post? What is the name of the post?
So I have joined as a management trainee. They have, for this particular organization, they have this role. For 1 year, I'll be on this role. And then depending on my performance, I'll be given a the further positions.
Okay, the name is not given. The official name is not given. Normal.
No, no.
Superb, superb, superb. All right, great.